Navigating the competitive landscape of Amazon selling requires more than just intuition and luck. It requires the right tools and knowledge to carve out a successful path. Among the many resources available to sellers, Jungle Scout has emerged as a standout tool for Amazon entrepreneurs. In this video, we will answer the crucial question: is Jungle Scout worth it? And by the way, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. With that in mind, let's get started. Understanding Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout, created by Greg Mercer in 2015, started as a basic Chrome extension designed to assist Amazon sellers in discovering products that could bring in profits. Over the years, it has transformed into a comprehensive collection of tools. It covers everything from finding the right products to sell, optimizing product listings for maximum visibility, to managing inventory efficiently. Now, with a dedicated team of 200 plus global employees, Jungle Scout has firmly established itself within the Amazon seller community. This evolution reflects Jungle Scout's commitment to adapting and growing to support the ever-changing demands of Amazon sellers. It's not just about providing tools, it's about offering solutions that are deeply integrated with the realities of selling on Amazon. Jungle Scout's development over time shows a continuous effort to enhance its offerings, ensuring that sellers have the most up-to-date and effective resources at their fingertips. This commitment has made Jungle Scout an indispensable resource for sellers looking to navigate the complex Amazon marketplace successfully. Key features and benefits. Jungle Scout shines as a beacon for Amazon sellers, centralizing its power around the ability to conduct thorough product research. This core functionality arms sellers with assurance to introduce products to the market, backed by solid data-driven insights. The platform simplifies the quest for products that strike the perfect balance between high demand and low competition, a formula crucial for triumph on Amazon. With Jungle Scout's precise market analysis and sales forecasts, sellers are equipped to make choices that are well informed, thus conserving precious time and potentially boosting their profits. Moving beyond mere product identification, Jungle Scout proves its mettle in the realms of keyword research and listing optimization, ensuring that products are visible to the appropriate audience, thereby elevating their market presence and escalating sales. The tool's proficiency doesn't end here. It stretches into sales performance assessment and inventory management. By leveraging these capabilities, sellers can secure their profitability and sidestep the pitfalls of stockouts, which can negatively impact their standing on Amazon. This comprehensive suite of features that Jungle Scout offers makes it an indispensable resource for sellers aiming to streamline their operations, enhance their visibility, and scale their earnings on the vast Amazon marketplace. In essence, Jungle Scout not only simplifies the complexities associated with selling on Amazon, but also paves the way for sellers to navigate this competitive landscape with confidence and strategic insight. Education and support. Jungle Scout stands out not just for its technical tools, but also for its deep dedication to teaching Amazon sellers how to succeed. Through initiatives like the Jungle Scout Academy and the Freedom Builder Bootcamp, which Greg Mercer personally oversees, Jungle Scout demonstrates its commitment to the growth of its users. These educational programs offer a wealth of knowledge, guiding sellers through the intricacies of the Amazon marketplace with practical, actionable advice. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your strategies, these resources are designed to support sellers at every level. They cover a wide range of topics, from the basics of setting up an Amazon store to advanced tactics for scaling your business. This focus on education ensures that users not only have the best tools at their disposal, but also the knowledge on how to use them effectively. By investing in seller education, Jungle Scout empowers users to take full advantage of its platform, thereby enhancing their chances of success on Amazon. It's this blend of cutting-edge tools and comprehensive educational content that makes Jungle Scout a valuable ally for Amazon sellers. Investment and returns. Pricing Pricing analysis. Jungle Scout's pricing structure is thoughtfully designed to cater to various seller needs and scales of operation. Basic plan aimed at newcomers. This plan is priced at $29 per month when billed annually, or $49 per month for monthly billing. It offers access to the essential tools for product research and review automation, making it a suitable entry point for individuals testing the waters of Amazon selling. Suite plan. As the most popular option, the Suite plan is tailored for growing Amazon sellers. It's priced at $49 per month annually or $69 per month monthly, offering a comprehensive set of tools for product finding, keyword research, inventory management, and more. This plan strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it ideal for sellers poised for growth. Professional plan. For large-scale sellers and teams, the professional plan provides extensive features and additional user access. Priced at $84 per month annually or $129 per month monthly. This plan accommodates the complexities of managing a larger operation, offering deeper analytics and expanded capabilities. Making the decision, is Jungle Scout worth it? The value of Jungle Scout lies in its comprehensive suite of tools that address the critical aspects of Amazon selling, from uncovering profitable product opportunities to optimizing listings for maximum visibility. Jungle Scout provides a foundation for success in the competitive Amazon marketplace. Its emphasis on data-driven decision-making and the availability of educational resources further solidify its position as a valuable asset for Amazon sellers. However, the decision to invest in Jungle Scout should be guided by individual business needs and goals. For those dedicated to building and scaling their Amazon business, Jungle Scout offers undeniable advantage, equipping sellers with the tools and knowledge to succeed. The platform's proven track record, as demonstrated by countless success stories, underscores its effectiveness in helping sellers achieve their Amazon aspirations. In the quest to determine whether Jungle Scout is worth it, the evidence points towards a positive affirmation. Jungle Scout stands out not only for its comprehensive toolset, but also for its commitment to empowering sellers through education and support. As the Amazon marketplace continues to evolve, having a reliable and robust tool like Jungle Scout can be the difference between success and stagnation. For those on the fence, exploring Jungle Scout further through tutorial videos and taking advantage of available discounts can provide a clearer picture of how the tool can transform their Amazon selling journey. With Jungle Scout, sellers are equipped with the resources to navigate the complexities of the Amazon marketplace, paving the way for growth and profitability. The journey through the Amazon jungle is fraught with challenges, but with Jungle Scout as a guide, sellers have a greater chance of emerging victorious. And don't forget, if you would like to sign up for Jungle Scout, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.